Hey guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you guys this amazing Barbie. This is the Stitch Barbie. I am not kidding you. So these Barbies, they come different options depending what kind of character you like with Disney. I love Stitch, so my daughter wanted to get this doll because it comes with so many different outfits and accessories that have to do with Stitch. It's so cute. You got your shirt that says Ohana, your hat that says 626. You have different things that do say Stitch. The cute purse, it's a Stitch purse and it actually opens up. How fun is that? You got the cute flip-flops. I love the fact that this Barbie is able to move. Her feet move all over, her knees, her elbows. She's able to bend. She has the softest hair. I am not joking. It is so silky. It's got this cute curl to it. It's so fun. I love the makeup on her and the detail. I find that these dolls are so beautiful, and I love the fact that you have different options to dress them in. You can make the outfits whatever which way you want, and I love the fact that you can get a Barbie which you love towards a Disney character that you love. It is one of the best combinations, I think, but that's just my point of view.